Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. I'm Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for this video, we're going to be learning about the song Blue by Young Kai. Very cool, pretty popular nowadays, especially in TikTok, Instagram, even in Spotify, I think. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So a bit of disclaimers first. I'm going to be teaching this song to you guys as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that's it. Let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the A major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be 5 on the lower E string, dead string on A string, 6, 6, 5, then dead string on the high E string. Next up is going to be the B7 chord, which is going to be like this. It's going to be 7, dead string, 7, 8, 7, dead string on the high E string as well. So you could do it like this, or like this as well. It depends on your preference when it comes to playing this chord. But personally, I just like doing it this way. Yep, B7. Next up is going to be the E major 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string on the lower E string. It's going to be 7, 9, 8, 9, then another dead on the high E string. It's going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And for this one, we're going to be using our index finger to bar the 4th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And as for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. Then lastly, it's going to be the G sharp 7 chord. It's going to be like this. And that is going to be 4, dead string, 4, 5, 4, then dead string. Okay, and as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's pretty simple. It's going to be one single down strum for every count that we're going to be playing for each chord in this song. So just simple down strum, just like that, just like that. So for chords such as the A major 7 chord, for example, for one count, it's just going to be like this. Yep. So just for an extra bit of flavor or spice when it comes to playing these chords, what I want you guys to do for every last count for each chord that you're going to play for this song, what I want you guys to do, just do your simple down strum. Then the moment that you finish strumming, make sure that you release your tension in these fingers as well afterwards. It's going to be strum, then release. Strum, then release. For 2 counts, for example, it's going to be down, 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 down. Okay, so for the chord progressions for the intro section of the song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's going to be like this. A major 7 chord for 2 counts. B7 for 2 counts, E major 7 for 2 counts, then the C sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Yep, one more time from start to finish, it's going to be like this. It's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the chord progressions for the verse as well as the solo section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the intro section earlier, but instead of just repeating the chord progressions twice, we're going to be repeating it 4 times now this time. So once again, A major 7 chord for 2 counts, B7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, 3 more, more, B7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, last one. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. walk you by an hotel without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want this life. Okay, so for the chord progressions for the chorus sections of the song, it's going to be this one right here. So again, A major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. B7, A major 7, then this one. Once again, A major 7 chord for 2 counts. B7, E major 7, but only for 1 count now this time. And this time, we're going to be inserting the G sharp 7 chord for 1 count, followed by the C sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then after that, we're going to be repeating this part of the song one more time. Once again, A major 7 chord for 2 counts, B7, E major 7, G sharp 7, then C sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then after that, once again, A major 7 for 2, then this one, A major 7, then C sharp minor 7. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I'll imagine we fell in love, like under moonlit skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll live my heart with your hair, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? And lastly, for the chord progression for the outro section of the song, it's going to be this one right here. Again, similar to the intro chord progression earlier, but instead of just repeating it twice, we're going to be doing it 6 times now this time. So once again, A major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. B7, E major 7, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the riffs, or the parts where the lead guitarist plays throughout this track, it's going to be following a different timeline compared to the rhythm guitars for this song. I'm going to be doing this part first. It's going to be... So that's it. The tabs is going to be this one right here. Yep, so it's going to be like this. That part right there. It's going to be the first part. It's going to be 5 4 4 5 4 4 5 4 4, then 5 7 9. Then the moment that you kind of finish here, that's when you start doing this. So here and this has got to match for the intro section of the song. So moving on to the second riff tab for this song, it's going to be this one right here. For this one, we're starting off right here. It's going to be on the 12th fret on the B string, 14, 17. It's going to be 17, 16, 14, then this one, yep, 11, 12, 14, 12, 12, and 13, 14. On the G string, it's going to be B string on the 12th fret. It's going to be 16th fret B string, then 17. That's going to be your second part, or your second group of riff tabs. Now next up is going to be the third riff tab, which is going to be this one right here. Once again, starting off with the 12th fret on the B string, 14, and 17. 17 on the high E string now this time, 16 high E string, and 16 on the B string. Moving on to the 19th fret on the high E string, 17 high E string, 16 high E string, then 3 12s on the high E string, 3 14s, 16s 3 times as well, then as well as on the B string on the 16th fret as well. So for the intro, okay, so when it comes to the solo lead parts or the solo riff section of the song, it's going to be this structure right here. So once again, it's going to be the first one, second one, third one, then the second part again. Then this time we're moving on to the fourth group of the riff tabs. So for the fourth group of tabs, it's going to be like this. That's going to be 16 on the high E string, 19 high E string, 16 again, then 17 on the B string. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be 14 on the B string, 16. It's going to be the 16th fret as well, but it's going to be on the G string now this time. It's going to be 17 B string, 19 B string. It's going to be 17 B string again, then 16 B, then 17 B. Okay, so when it comes to the lead part of the outro section of the song, so it's kind of like the solo section of the song, but we're just going to be repeating the second half of that solo riff twice. And yeah, so that's the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this point in the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'm sure to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials or guitar lessons for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.